What's going on, guys? Been a long time no see.
I don't get to see them anyway in real life.
No?
But I see your comments.
So we are just hanging out today. I know it's been quite a while since we've uploaded a video. There is good reason for that. Number one, there's not a whole lot of garage sales anymore, obviously, because it's winter time. But why, you say? I don't know. Maybe because of the gigantic snowstorm outside?
We could have like a snow sale.
A snow garage sale?
Yeah, but I feel like garage runs that.
That'd be fun.
Like you say garage.
But we've been working hard over the past week. Last weekend we actually cleaned out the garage, so you saw probably on our latest video, we had our own garage sale, and last weekend we cleaned out the entire garage. We separated everything out, we moved all of the stuff we didn't need out, and then all of the stuff that we're going to be using for reselling or stuff that we're gonna sell upstairs, so that we have still plenty of room in this room. By the way, I haven't really shown much in this room lately. We did make quite a few changes.
I feel like I had nothing to do with this.
I don't know if you remember, but we used to have a shelf there, and it looks quite different now, and I actually like this setup a lot better.
Wait,
you had a lot to do with this, though.
Whose idea was this, though?
This was your idea.
I know.
Not mine.
I just like to point out that I was the brains of this operation.
But basically, we moved these shelves, and it creates quite a bit more room in here. We'll probably bring in a table here for unlisted inventory. We haven't done that yet. Right now we just kind of have some of it sitting here and then on the floor. Moving these two shelves against each other, and there's more shelf space over there, actually made quite a big difference in our room. It really opened everything right up here so we can walk through. It's not perfect yet. We still have quite a few things to do as far as getting everything exactly how we want it, but for the most part, I think it looks pretty good, and I think it's the best setup that we could possibly have for this room. What else is going on? I don't know. Yeah, we're just kind of hanging out today. We cleaned up the yard. We snow blowed. If you guys are not aware, we do have a second channel where we've been filming a lot of content for that channel. I haven't released many videos yet, but we have a lot of content that's going to be coming out, a lot of big stuff that's going to be on that channel. So if you're not subscribed to that one, make sure you are. I will link it down below. It's called Crazy Dreamers. I'm sure most of you know about it, but if by any chance you don't, make sure you're over there, because that's where, in the winter months, that's the bulk of where we're gonna be, is over there. We'll be uploading to this channel seldomly, probably, just because there's no garage sales. You know, we may do an occasional thrift trip or maybe another storage unit. And if we do that, obviously that'll be on this channel. But what are you doing?
I'm learning how to fly.
You're learning how to fly? What is how to fly easy and really works? 2 million views, wow.
I don't understand how that happened. I gotta watch it again.
Now, you guys don't really see this side of our business anymore. You know, we don't show we don't really do what sold videos or anything. And don't really do a lot of filming in here. It's always out in the field, which is what we like, but since we don't have much to film right now, this is what you guys are getting. I do want to mention something big. So if you might not notice, but we got a new camera. I'm actually filming with it right now.
It looks fuzzy.
It looks fuzzy?
Yeah, the top part's fuzzy.
Oh, there's a little, yeah, there's a
little piece of Kiton.
A little fuzzy for like the microphone up top.
It literally looks like Kiton's tail. It's up there, but it's gray.
But we got this new camera for the second channel mostly. It won't really be used here. It's kind of big and bulky. It won't be good for going to garage sales. So we are gonna liquidate some of the cameras we have. So as you guys can see, we have 4 cameras here. We have the GoPro Hero 7 right here. We have 2 GoPro Hero 8s and a GoPro Hero 9. We get this question a lot. Why do you guys wear backpacks at garage sales? And this is why, because the backpack actually holds our cameras. These are the cameras we use to record all of our videos on. You get these little nifty backpack clips. Here's another one here. I think they're like 10 bucks on Amazon. They're really cheap. We just hook them onto the strap of the backpack, and that's how we take you guys with us to garage sales. But anyway, since we got this new camera that I'm filming with right now, and we have 4 GoPros already, I figured, hey, why not sell off a couple of them? So what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be running a couple auctions on our eBay store If you guys are curious, our eBay store is linked down below, but we're gonna sell off. We're gonna keep one Hero 8, and we're gonna keep the 9, of course. And we're gonna sell off the GoPro Hero 7 and one of our GoPro Hero 8s. So.
Well,
Wow.
didn't know.
Didn't know what?
So this is a little surprise for me, so you guys just hang tight. Do I get to keep this one? A little broken clip?
Yeah. No, I'm not gonna sell off any of the clips. But.
Because I like the broken clip, because I know it's the one I'm allowed to play with, because it's broken, and we don't do broken. I do broken. You don't do broken. I get your hand-me-down broken. And then, this one was...
It was.
I kind of dropped it a couple times. They're a little mix of love. And...
Yep, that was our first GoPro. That's the one we started on YouTube with right there.
apparently, you can get also our fingerprints. I don't know if we have fingerprint scans anywhere out there in the world. You can have those.
But yeah, we started on YouTube with this one, filmed tons of videos with it, also filmed tons of videos with our other
I
GoPro
don't
Hero
like
8.
this one as much.
Yeah,
It's hard to get the battery out.
it is very hard to get the battery out.
I always forget that I have to pull something and you like twist your ear and hop 3 times in like the right direction or something. And then you get the red button and then that makes you feel like you did something wrong. And then you have to call Ryan and then Ryan's like, give that. How do I open it?
You gotta pull.
I did
You
pull
push it out like that.
Yeah, see I always try to
They are tricky to get into, but it's because they're waterproof, so they're all sealed tight and everything.
Yeah, well that's not nearly as tricky as I thought it was tricky.
So yeah, we're gonna start 2 auctions on each of these cameras at like a penny, and then just see how far they go. A penny a piece.
I think mine should be worth 2 pennies.
2 pennies? Okay, maybe we'll start yours at 2 pennies.
Yeah, but yours is only a penny.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, whatever you put yours at, mine's twice as important.
Each GoPro, I think, will come with, not I think, I know, will come with a charging cable and a battery. So GoPro, battery, and charging cable.
I might, like, put a letter for mine.
A letter?
Yeah, you know, like, when you adopt something?
Oh,
and
yeah.
it comes with a letter, like, this GoPro 7 is 7 years old. No, it's not really. I don't know how old it
Something
is.
like a year and a half.
But it likes walks on the beach.
Mhm.
It likes to be outside in the fresh, like, sea air.
Yep.
Enjoys sunsets. Being cuddled, but not too much. A little independent.
But they're both very, very good cameras, very solid cameras. Love them. You really can't beat GoPro, what do you call it?
You love them?
Quality when you're out like doing active stuff. Super stable, really good for filming at garage sales.
You love them, but you're gonna get rid of them?
Well, we don't need 4, so might as well. What do you think, Kimmy? You want to get rid of some GoPros
She goes,
too?
I would like to donate my ball. Would you really give up your ball? She just had it back. She smells fabulous.
She did.
Would you
Isn't
really
that
give
good?
up your ball? Sit. You sit down?
We actually filmed her getting a bath earlier for the
Well,
other channel.
You poked in, and then
Yeah.
she was like, "Oh, we're getting out of the tub now. Is this gonna go up there too? You gonna donate that? Yeah. Oh, I see.
Anyway, guys, that's the update on us. That's where we are at. We miss interacting with you guys, and you guys comments all the time. But if you do want to see more of us, just go over to the second channel. That's where we're going to be for most of our time in the winter. We'll see. But
We
yeah,
get back in the spring.
and we'll be back in the spring,
Spring of it.
full force, all kinds of garage sales. Right, Kimmy?
Right, Kim?
We'll be on this channel too, but what? Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. We will see you very soon. Goodbye.
Bye, Booze. Baba, I love you. And you, and you, and you, and of course I love you too. Bye.